Now, as you saw from the title of the video, we're talking about products that are going to make you at a minimum $200 a day. And I know that's a big promise, so let's dive into what those products actually are and what this will look like for you in order to make that kind of money every single day. Hi, I'm Christina Scalera, and I'm a shop founder, e-commerce expert, and someone here on YouTube who is here to help you through this journey of turning what you know in your head into products that sell profitably and passively for you. As we get into the product ideas today, keep in mind that a lot of these are things you've probably already heard of and definitely already seen other people doing and profiting off of online. You've probably also seen other people smashing that like button and subscribing to this channel. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, and it would mean so much to me if you would just give each of those a little tap. And if you want to reserve your judgment until the end of this video, make sure this video deserves a like. That's totally okay too. All right, so this first one is something that has actually grossed over $2 million in my own life through my shop, and that is templates. Templates aren't the only thing that my shop sells, but it is the primary driver of all of the sales that I make over there. So if you are interested in selling templates, please know that this is one of the best ways to reach that profitability with passive income through digital products. And the way that this works is because templates help take someone from A to B, or B to C, or C to D. They take them on some very small journey. So for example, with my shop, the contract shop, I'm not teaching them the entire client onboarding process. Instead, I'm teaching them how to actually send a client contract out to their client and get them to sign it so that they are now a booked client who is ready to pay, and they can make some money, obviously, because when the booked client is paying you, then you have a business. Templates are also great because it doesn't teach your competition how to do what you do. So if you're really good at something, then you can take that expertise and turn it into a template instead of an online course that teaches your competition exactly what you're doing behind the scenes. So the customer is only paying for the finished final result that they are then filling in with their custom fields, whatever that looks like, their name, address, amounts, things like that inside the template. And then they're able to walk away with the finished result that would have otherwise cost them thousands of dollars to get access to. So for example, if somebody was going to have a lawyer draft a contract, that's about $5,000 or $6,000 to start. And to get a template from my shop is less than $500. So that's a big difference. And especially when you are walking away with the exact same finished product, arguably even a better finished product for lots of reasons that I've already covered on this channel, then it's a really good win-win situation for everybody involved. And the best part about templates is that you are already using them in your business. Now, if you don't have a business or you aren't working with clients yet, then maybe start there. I don't know what to tell you. You have to do something to get some kind of expertise. And if you don't have that expertise yet, then maybe now is the time to start looking at working with more clients so that you can build up that bank of knowledge, and that knowledge becomes the templates that you then sell. Templates are really easy to create, not just because physically they're easy to create in something like a Google Doc or PDF, but also because you can already pull them out of the processes that you already have. So for example, if you are a graphic designer and you already have a process that takes a client from, I don't know what we're going to do as far as my new brand design, to a finished logo, then you can obviously templatize that and sell it as that template for the masses to consume and come up with their own brands using your unique framework that's housed in that template. If you haven't worked with very many clients yet, this could be an issue because it means that you don't really have the repetition and patterns in place to know what you should be asking for on a consistent basis to then turn into a template that people get and tell all their friends about because it's so amazing. Typically, templates run anywhere from $50 to $500. So you can see that if you just sell one template a day at $200, or one template every other day at $500 like I do, or maybe 4 templates at $50 a day, 4 people, that's not really a lot, especially when you consider how many people are looking at your social and interacting with your website and that kind of thing. It's pretty easy for you to close on those sales every day as long as you have templates that accomplish the result that someone is looking for, and you're able to get those templates in front of enough people to show them the value that they'll receive out of making that purchase and investing in your templates. My second favorite digital product to be creating to make at least $200 a day is also something you probably already have, especially if you've previously created online courses. In the formation of that online course, it's likely that you came up with spreadsheets and workbooks and worksheets worksheets that the course participants needed to go through in order to complete the coursework and achieve the new level of learning that they're looking for, and that's why they purchased the course. The fun part comes in now where you get to make this income passively, because these worksheets and workbooks are going to be far easier to sell than an online course. That's because they're a lot cheaper typically than the normal online course, which can retail for anywhere from $100 to $1,000 or more dollars. And these workbooks, worksheets, etc., are probably going to be closer in the $20 to $50 range. Obviously, you're going to have to sell a few more of these than templates if you decide to go this route, and you can mix and match too. It doesn't have to be all worksheets or all templates. If you decide to sell just worksheets, or that's all you have to get started, then it's going to take a little bit more traffic on your part to make sure that all of these are landing in front of the right people to buy from you and then to have more sales. So you're going to have to focus a little bit more on traffic rather than improving the product to get the desired result like you would in a template. If you don't already have an online course, no worries. There's still a great way to make up these worksheets and workbooks without working double time. All you need to do is look at your 5 best performing blog posts and turn that into a guide that you can then sell for $20 to $50 in your online store. This is a really easy way for you to give someone the knowledge that they're most hungry for and the reason that they follow you. Yes, they could read these blogs for free, but essentially what they're paying for is the convenience and portability of this guide. That means that they can take it, they can read it while they're on the road, and they don't have cell phone service in a national park. They don't have to sift through what your top blog posts are. They can just trust that this guide is going to teach them everything they need to know. And usually my guides like that have some kind of helpful plug into the next step up in my programs, courses, coaching, etc. That way I make sure I'm getting the highest amount of customer lifetime value, aka customer LTV, out of that person. If they are well served, they are going to continue to purchase from me, and that is why I'm going to continue to advertise to them even if they're already paying for the product that advertisement comes in. Having these kind of up levels into your other more expensive products, coaching products, courses, etc., is a great way to also make sure that you're making $200 off the sale of, say, a $20 or $15 guide. So the next thing is something that I've had a lot of pushback about, and people are kind of on the fence about whether or not this is a good product. But I've seen this work successfully for many, many, many of my clients, including a client who had over $3 million and counting in lifetime sales from this one type of product. So are you ready for it? Did you press that like button? I'm just waiting for that. All right. It's prompts. Creating some kind of prompt for journaling or about manifestation or for social media captions. These are all helpful prompts that anybody who is working for themselves, or if they're just a normal person existing, might want to have in their life. If they want to change their morning routine, their workout schedule, how they feel about themselves, what they're doing in their business, these are all prompts that they could use internally, and externally, you could be selling prompts that teach them how to create great social media captions and what they should be talking about on all the latest platforms like YouTube Shorts. Not only are prompts really easy to sell, they're also really easy to implement, which means that it's more likely that people are getting a great result. And again, that's everything that we're after. If you don't believe me, there's a book that I want you to read, and it changed my philosophy on all the products I create. And it actually was the year that we started to notice a huge uptick in sales in my shop. And it all came from this one book called Perennial Seller by Ryan Holiday. And in that book, he goes into the reasons why you shouldn't just create a product to sell, but you should create something that continues to sell itself through the legion of fans that you create around this product. And prompts are something that can do this. If you make someone else look good, if you prop up their life and you make them look good to their audience, or you make them feel better about themselves, then they are most likely going to continue to invest in the next level of whatever else you have to offer. We still have a few more categories, but I want to point out that these are progressive ways to make profit and in different vehicles. And I'm not saying you need all of them. I'm saying start with one of these things and use that to inspire the result that you're looking to achieve for your customer base, and then try to sell those customers more things because they already know, like, and trust you. You may as well take advantage of the fact that they are there to consume from you and sell them more. If you don't do this, other people will. I promise you that. And if you truly believe in the power of what you're selling and that you are here to help people, then you have a duty and an obligation to do this before someone who doesn't have those same types of feelings and thoughts about the way they market and sell. They're going to go out there and sell anyway. So you may as well beat them to the punch and sell to this audience who already loves you. However, due to their lower price point, they're not always in and of themselves the only thing that you'll sell to that person to make $200 a day. But they are a great lead generation product that you can then up level into other offers. In fact, for the client I referenced earlier who's built her $3 million+ fortune off of selling prompts, this is exactly what she's done. She hasn't relied just on the prompts themselves. She's actually up level and upsold them on the back end into her coaching and mastermind services. All of this was fairly automated and straightforward thanks to those prompts doing the heavy lifting of gathering up the people that are most interested in working with her and gatekeeping them with a little bit of a price point to make sure that only the serious people got passed. Next up are my absolute favorite to purchase as a customer, which are pre-made boards. And these are in pre-made software as a service type programs like Asana, Trello, ClickUp. These are absolutely what I lean on every single day to get started, and the possibilities for not just the programs that you use, but what's contained in these boards are endless. There are lots of people out there that are just like me that are totally obsessed with spreadsheets and making sure there's a spreadsheet for every aspect of their lives. Not only does it help me with ADHD to have some kind of loose hold on reality and staying organized, but it also helps people that actually are organized and good at this to feel less anxious and more in control of their lives. This can also extend to a business use. So if you are serving business owners, then they might not always know what the next step forward is. And in lieu of hiring a coach, what if they could just get a Trello board from you that walks them through every step of the client process that they should be going through in order to deliver a great customer or client experience? I love boards because not only do they give me ideas for the types of things I should be organizing with my life, they also do it all for me. They do the heavy lifting. And if I am not an expert in some kind of area or subject matter, I can get a board that walks me through what the next step is going to be. And anyone who has used this kind of software that's a project management software knows the joy of clicking on a task that has been completed. Like the joy that I get from uploading my YouTube videos and clicking that I'm done with them it's amazing. Next up, we're not done yet. Something else that could be an incredibly lucrative business venture for you is just delivering your product via email. So if you are getting started and things feel expensive, it feels like every kind of delivery mechanism, product, software has some kind of fee attached to it, don't get too hung up on this because there's lots of great low cost or free email service providers that allow you to attach files, links, PDFs, etc. onto your emails that you send out to someone in an automated fashion. So if you don't have a sales page or a store or anything like that up yet, then all you need is some kind of checkout function like a PayPal button attached to an automated email that delivers with the product inside. And this is a great way for you to get started and dabble in digital products, because if you can sell without all the bells and whistles and you're trying to sell like this where it's very bare bones and minimal and it sells well, then of course it's going to sell better with a full sales page or a store or product listing or whatever built all around it that actually is there to help the buyer move into a purchase, especially as when you expand, you're going to be hitting colder and colder audiences than the very warm friends and family audience that you're hitting today, possibly. One example of this is a dog trainer who sends out her emails that have new exercises that you can do with your dog every single day. And obviously she's not sitting there at her computer typing these in and sending them out every morning. She's doing this maybe once, twice, a couple times a year, scheduling them, and they're going automatically to anybody who signs up for this digital product of hers that's delivered all through email. If this is a daily email, it's really easy to show people how a $200 subscription is less than $1 per day. And that's a pretty compelling price point even for a B2C audience. And finally, my favorite one is delivering something via text. So similar to email, but for us ADHDers and anyone who's just really busy and doesn't always check email, or maybe you get anxiety checking email. I definitely do. So if you are that kind of person, you're more likely to check text. I have every single text in my phone read. I have a friend who has like 48,000, I'm not even kidding. She has like 48,000 unread texts, and that would just give me a heart attack. So that is not my life. I'm not about that. I have every single text read as soon as I possibly can. And as long as I don't forget to respond right then, we're pretty good. And I'm pretty good at staying on top of that. But the way that this is going to be helpful for people like me is that if they get that daily text affirmation, it's really going to help them to immediately put into place one or more of the things that we already talked about. So, for example, if you sent a daily journal prompt, so combining the prompts that we talked about earlier with a daily text, maybe your prompts, they have to purchase a year of access and you get all the prompts up front. But we all know that we're going to look at that maybe for 4 or 5 mornings in a row, and then we're going to forget. So the texts are really there to hold me accountable. What I'm paying for there is a lot more of the accountability and less so much the journal prompts, because I could have bought those from your shop in a different vehicle, albeit I'd have to be a lot more on top of it. Once again, with an annual type subscription, it's super easy to show people the value of spending at least $1 a day on these texts and getting them to sign up when they're the most excited, most likely to spend $365. So therefore, this is another great way to make over $200 just selling one product to one person. And if this video inspired some product ideas for you, make sure you drop those ideas in the comments below so we can go back and forth and brainstorm together. I would love to hear from you, love to hear what you're creating and what you feel called and inspired to do after watching today's video. If you are thinking this is amazing, I have so many ideas from this video, and you've already clicked the like button a million times, thank you so much, then you are probably also wondering, how do I actually deliver these products to people? That's a common question that always comes up when people are like, I'm so excited, I put together da, 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 and then they're like, wait, how do I actually get this into the hands of my customer now? But that's not going to happen to you because I've automated this whole process, and in the video that just popped up on your screen, I'm going to show you how you can do this too. So click on that video if you need a cheaper, easier, faster way to get your products delivered to your customers in a completely hands-off way. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you next time.